Viewers, today we are going to unbox Walton FHD LED 21.5-inch display. Walton is a Bangladeshi brand made in Bangladesh. Walton is a big brand. Okay. WD215V05 model, built-in speaker, CNAD LED backlit display monitor. Let's unbox. The box is really nice. You can carry it like a briefcase. It was kept in the store for a long time, that's why the packet is little bit damaged. Okay. This is box inside the box, and it's really nice packaging. This is the monitor, and really slim. I really like it. Let's open it. Walton brand monitor. Okay, this is the back side of the monitor. This is the stand holder, and these are the ports, DP port and 2 HDMI port and power input port, and these are the buttons for controlling the monitor, power and brightness and other adjustment. This is user manual, and this is power adapter for the monitor. This is the adapter. This is HDMI cable, CPU to monitor connector. This is the power cable, 3-pin cable. Okay, and this is the stand of the monitor. The packaging is really nice. I really like it, and it's really safe for the monitor to transport from here to one place to another place. This is how it will be placed with a screw. This is the screw. Okay, we are going to attach it with the monitor, the stand. We are going to attach the screw now. Connecting the monitor. Power cable, and the HDMI cable is here. Okay, let's connect. Okay, the setup is completed. Now let's start the monitor. We are going to turn on it. Turning on the monitor. Okay, Walton. The display is really bright, and 21.5-inch monitor is really big. 3-side frameless monitor. 1920 into 1080 pixel resolution. Really like it, viewers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.